April is National Donate Life Month, and it's a time to encourage Americans to register as an organ donor to help save lives.
This past year, people have stepped up in extraordinary ways to help their neighbors in need, and becoming an organ donor is yet another way to do just that.
In today's Eye on Health, Mikey Hood shows us how Allegheny Health Network is driving awareness of the importance of organ donation.
One person, one organ donor, can save 8 lives and touch innumerable other lives.
Organ donation can allow a transplant patient to live a free and full life.
110,000 people across the country are waiting for an organ donation and transplant in the United States at the current time. That includes over 2,500 people here in Western Pennsylvania.
The majority of patients on the waiting list need a kidney transplant to treat end-stage kidney disease.
Kidney transplantation is really a miraculous fix for what otherwise is a life of either ongoing hemodialysis and all the difficulties associated with that, or with death.
Some common causes leading up to this need are diabetes, chronic uncontrolled high blood pressure, polycystic kidney disease, and chronic kidney inflammation. Dr. Stephen Bailey, chair of the Cardiovascular Institute for AHN, says 3,500 people across the country are in need of a heart transplantation too, many times from coronary artery disease, dilated cardiomyopathy, and birth defects.
We wait until a patient really needs a heart transplant procedure, but at that time we really have fantastic outcomes. Over 92 or 93% of patients survive to 1 year.
And COVID hasn't helped things either. Partial DMV closures across the nation didn't allow for people to switch their no on their driver's license to a yes to become an organ donor.
Over 95% of all Pennsylvanians support organ donation and believe in organ donation, but just about half are actually registered organ donors.
Allegheny Health Network is helping to bridge that gap by educating people on the importance of organ donation. In 2020, AGH completed nearly 180 organ transplants, but this would not have been possible without donors and AHN's commitment to life-saving care.
Being a compassionate provider of care in that incredibly difficult time in a family's life where someone's becoming an organ donor, when a family has lost a loved one, to the very mundane of making it easy to register to be an organ donor on our website at AHN.
Dr. Bailey says you can't measure the impact an organ donation can make for a person and their family.
The likelihood that they won't survive a year to having this incredibly precious gift, made by a family of somebody who's lost their life, usually unexpectedly, and can absolutely, transform both the quality and the longevity of a patient's life.
I'm Mikey Hood for PTO.
You know what, and I've done stories on living donors as well, and
Yeah.
it's really incredible, the generosity of people and what a difference it can make. So if you would like to become an organ donor, first off, let your family know, and then sign up at the DMV or register online, and look for the link. We have it for you at pittsburghtodaylive.com.
Mayor Bill Peduto will be issuing a proclamation tomorrow morning recognizing April as Donate Life Month in Pittsburgh. The mayor will also honor the King family. Joe King was longtime president of the Pittsburgh Firefighters Union. Joe died 2 months ago and donated tissue. His brother Danny, also a firefighter for the city, died in 2014, and he saved 4 lives with his decision to donate. Both brothers donated under the care of Allegheny Health Network at Allegheny General Hospital. And to think of that, think what they did.
Absolutely.